explore fragrances. There's more than 40 brands here, local, designer, and niche. Then come over. Alright, let's gather here kasi I'm gonna bring you around all the brands so we can get to know them. Afternoon, my name is Bernadette. I am also known as a fragrance specialist. So basically, I am a fragrance person. I create fragrances for brands, spaces. And this afternoon, I'm gonna be your tour guide. Basically, for getting to know the local brands here, as well as designer and niche brands that are over there in Quezon, Manila, and then SFUP as well as. We'll talk to the brands so that you can learn more about them. And so what we're gonna do is go around the entire space. Okay, so we're gonna start here with Tomos Emeterios. So this is Paul. Yeah, so his brand is Tomos Emeterios. Tignan to aking photo ko. Tama ba ito siya? Is that good? So, I wrote here that is inspired. The story is inspired by more
the name is Island Who in it's their favorite perfume set in the Middle East. So I made it like a portrait from one easy on the nose. So it has chocolate, white chocolate, it has patchouli, it has vanilla, and of course ilang ilang. So it's very playful. You can wear it on our weather, but it shines in a colder environment.
Guys, don't be afraid to try the fragrances. That's why we're here. Para you can explore the scents and learn more about the brands as well as their offerings.
Siguro, Paul, you can tell us more about Forward. So this is something personal. The story behind the scent is very personal to Paul. So I want you to tell them about it kasi baka some of them can relate to it also.
Okay, Forward is a very personal perfume to me. At the nose of that is the Filipino nose, si Renato. It was launched last year during our collaboration. Forward is a scent, it's my story in a bottle. Actually, it has a green mango note. I grew up in the province. There's a mango tree in the backyard, so that's why there's a mango note there. So during my childhood, I sell banana peel, so there's a banana peel accord there. And you will smell hay or some palay accord. I tried palay or rice at the side of the road during my childhood. I was also active at the church, so it will be incensing. So I like cognac, I like cigar. You will smell cognac and cigar there. And as stated earlier, I work in the Middle East, so there will be oud. I was also in the Boy Scouts, so burning wood for the campfire. So it's a very personal perfume for me. So I hope you can relate to the perfume. I hope it speaks to you as well.
Years later. So now we have Artel Manila.
Ako sa inyo. Meron kami dito for women. Ito po, Farmer's Target mo. Ito po yung best namin, si Pangkata, saka si De Carisme. Tapos, ito po yung pang-third, si Siren and the Star po. Tapos si Dreamer po yan, is extended. Kung gusto niyo po lang yung amoy na fresh, rosy, ito ma'am, itong dalawa po. And mabenta rin siya, ma'am, itong dalawa. Then for men's po, ito po, tatlo po sila. Si Gandhi, si Charmer, and si Ray.
We are in GP and this is their Dreamer collection. So if you guys haven't seen this on social media, they're so noisy on the socials.
Yeah, so IG, TikTok, Facebook, you'll see them everywhere, especially with Greg. So GP stands for Greg Familia. This is GP Dreamer Collection. We have here 4 fragrances. So the first 3 that they launched were Memoir, Demonta. Teka, ikaw naman.
So, Brother, thank you for that mga Bernadette. So all over here. So, to give you more context lang when it comes to GP collections. Actually, original plan, we have at least 3. So, first is we launched the Viva Bay, Eggplant Noir, and then third is One Time. So, actually, these 3 sets have been story telling about the life of Sir Greg. So, when it comes to Viva Bay, kasi Sir Greg wants to, you know, yung being successful in life, ano yung magiging set na suot mo in that way. So, if you are that type of person, ano, CEO vibes, set up ng mga galawan and all, so you can wear this. So, same as Sir Greg na may official event, or set up naman Julie na before. So, that's why he inspired or he wants na ganito yung set up namin. And then, follow naman yung eggplant. So, we'll naman, Filipino, we have Germans, we have celebrating, or I'm birthday naman. Kaya ngayon, is na meron ng celebration na meron tayo kapag Pilipino. Hindi na mawala yung cake, hindi na mawala yung crowd. That's why, Sir Greg wants na tumingin din doon kung ano yung feeling niya actually. Na what if ikaw lang siya nagpabawa? So what if apabawa mo na yung chocolate na may cherry at the same time pa. So what we call that, eggplant bone. So in life naman natin, chocolate na lang yung meron ni Sir Greg. So every time may achievement tayo, of course, kahit simple celebration lang, manunugis kasi natin yan na it's my time tayo to celebrate. And that's what Sir Greg also na-experience natin through Pablo. And that's correct. Kasama ko pala si Sir Zip, our marketing. And then, Muntan naman, actually, the vibes of Muntan, Sir Greg wants to tell us na yung vibes na nandun sa province. And then, Abono Rizal, if I'm right. So, kasi doon is suman. So, the question is, ito yung thinking apart. How comes na magkaroon ng suman na nasa bagay in a urban day? So, this is the story I know, Sir Greg. And, as mentioned kanina, bakit may Bordeaux one yung first plan sa doon? So, this is set up or idea of Sir Greg and nobody appreciate. How do you friends doon sa mga clients na kayo nagawin? Kasi we start at least set out and detail and you sold it at least 3 to 4 months. The first collection. So, paano naman makapagsasabi doon sa mga top-tiers na pagkakaw? So, yung isa sa mga with Sir Greg at saka Powder na doon sa ang mapasalamat doon sa mga clients sa in ayun yung edition. So, as of now po, we launched it around June 28, 2,000 pieces only. With authentication card as of now, we have at least 10 pieces here sa area na yun. So, paunahan na lang po kung may gusto mag-avail today. At least meron kaming extra na dala kay reserve stick na nasa 10 piraso. So, from 2,000 down to 10 pesos actual, and then meron kaming naiwan na charge natin. So, most probably nasa 20 na. Start to 20. So far, that's it for me.
So if you guys are into very unique Filipino heritage dance, then you can try the GP collection. So far, pati yung brother ko sa years ago, she has the So if you want a floral lights and that's very easy to wear, and that's something that you can try. If you're into Vermont, you can try that. And then BYP is thinking the most flexible. Where all in terms of like how unisex it is, how light it is, you can wear it from day to night. And then the MR naman is if you want something that's more layering side, suman and mango. Pero if you want intimidate, look at the description. This is really wearable. It's actually surprising that they were able to create something that's very wearable as suman. Diba? This owner is here. His name is AJ. So can you tell us about your brand?
Alright, I'm AJ, the founder and perfumer of this brand. So this brand is a niche fragrance brand centered on the idea of cocktails. So this way, instead of just like a water, it's like a cocktail in the water. So the brand, I named it after Maison because I want this brand to be my legacy, Maison. And we just launched this program in 2019. And right now we're we're seeking to raise your grant to women leaders and all that.
Anyone here who is into like mixology, drinks, alcoholics? And so it would be the perfect fragrance line for your fragrance brand. You guys layers and also the show today is rum cola. So that's the favorite
Okay, the feature product is rum cola. Rum cola, this is sweet, romantic. It has rum, cola, cinnamon, and sugar. So I made this coffee perfume in memory of whenever in our restaurant in Manila. So we were having party, dancing, music, and food, rum and cola. So I wanted to immortalize the memory in a fragrance.
That means let's go to the next brand. Look, and that's a beauty. We're here with Rice, so we're going to talk to us about, I guess, their new launches, his favorites, and as well as some of the fragrances that you might want to try.
Hi guys, I'm Lai. I'm from So look at me also represents both and very their premium brands. So some of the favorites we do have from Kayani, which is launched this a month ago. We do have the one from Lancome, our famous Mason Regent, our famous Mason Regella, and also our Solara. Some of our favorites, some of your favorites go for its last long. So sometimes you might wear it. It's also like night or my party maybe. Super it's very comfy. For Solara I do have this piece. I usually wear this with a woman. It's kind of weird, but this little tennis is all very well. So we do have a very good and good is one of my favorites. And what I love about this is what makes it next to Andrea, I just take a delicious or but I just use those crazy clubs. And Dolce & Gabbana we do have, and Dolce & Gabbana just released this. We have this like one of their best sellers for it's a bit serious. If you're looking for like a good stages, you go for this one or either go for the replica one. We have Purple Garden over here. Purple Garden and Purple Garden you're into like sweet, super sweet on snack here. We have Purple Garden.
Dito sa Kayani, I actually did the launch for Her Majesty. So if you want something that's rose, blackcurrant, a little bit fruity, something that's not in the Kayani range talaga kasi it's not truly Vermont and Kayani is not for Vermont scents. So that's something that you can consider because it's more floral and fruity. Yeah.
So if you're familiar with Shiro, if the fragrance from Shiro, it's a Japanese brand. I pair it with CK kasi medyo cool yung scent niya. If may lata din ako, if I need something lang for everyday, I pair my Shiro fragrance and with CK. And if you want like one scent lang, medyo cool lang, go for Maison Margiela is CK. Super top with super nice.
Then they want to focus more on niche fragrances, so if there are perfumes that they would want them to carry, just follow together. And I'm actually curious about number one, Initio, and number two, Valaya. Okay, so Initio, they're known for their strong scents. Right, so how is it working, especially with our weapon?
For me, Initio usually is being used at night or cold weather, good locations, late nights. Those are really good for Initio. As for Valaya, for me, my nose is like weird, so I spent lots of days already. So, what I smell in Valaya is very clean, powdery, white, fruity, mellow. So I like it because unlike any other, it's gonna last like 2 hours long. And even if there's always another.
Wala na, nose blinded
So,
na.
maganda rin ito for us. But I really prefer it.
Is that why it's blowing up on TikTok?
Yeah, also because of PBB. She started it.
Oh, is that right?
She started it.
Okay, is it one of the best-selling?
Ano ba yun? May start now. Kaya
Of course, it's
PBB.
what happened?
Usually, women like the Lina Hindi. If they don't like the Lina Hindi, they like the rose. If they don't like the wala yan.
What other brands do you have here?
Right now, what we're carrying is Stefan number 2 cup. The best seller is Golden Fire. And in perfumes, Marley Green is also good. And soft row house, just flavor. It smells like grapefruit. It smells like Bulgari fiber, customer DNA. Also this brand comes from Turkey. I'm just not sure how to pronounce it. Metsu, in English it's like this. The owner is really kind that really takes care of the brand. So yeah, it's nice.
What kinds of scent profiles are, the most selling, especially for Filipinos?
To be honest, it's not like usually when it starts, usually branch has the mass feeling ones, but most of my fans right now are in the Orientals, Woods, and the weird Frenchies, and also basically every person has a different nose, and they like, not everyone is similar, basically.
If you're looking for fragrances, if you want to try it on paper first. See if you like it before you spray it on your skin. And most of the time, even if you like it on paper, it doesn't agree when it's on your skin, right? It changes. So that's normal and that's Grass Perfume Weekend brands. Yeah, we have here Shale, the founder. Shale, tell us about your brand. Hello, everyone. My name is Shale. I'm the founder. Hello, I'm the founder and perfumer of Tadhana. So Tadhana, as you may know, is a Filipino word that means destiny. And here we want to highlight unexpected encounters. So just as Bernadette mentioned, so just a few weeks ago, we actually saw each other in Grass Perfume Week. So this is the first Filipino brand that exhibited in Grass. And we presented this to the European audience and they loved it. Binila, sobrang unique, sobrang unexpected. And that is really what we want to create with the brand. This is our persona collection. So as you can see, yung names na aming persona collection, we have classy, lover, scandalous, innocent, rockstar, and rebel. So these are different personalities. The idea is, at any given moment, you can show a different side of yourself. So maybe today you feel like classy, very understated, confident, and then the next day you can be rebel, like just being unapologetic and expressing yourself. It's the idea behind it. Thank you. From a perspective, like, how did you go about creating the fragrances? Because I know that you're an advocate of using local ingredients, and that's very important because when you use ingredients that are grown and distilled and manufactured locally, you're also basically supporting local farmers. So how are you going about that? Thank you, Bernadette, for that question. And that is exactly why we wanted to do this with Tadhana and highlight Filipino ingredients. Here, we wanted to tell Filipino and Asian stories to the rest of the world. And by doing that, so we highlight each of the fragrance as Filipino ingredients. So for example, with Classy, we have Eleni and Vetiver Filipina. Those two ingredients are only found in the Philippines, nowhere else. In a Calamansi, Scandalous, we showcase Davao Accord. We have Pomelo in Rebel. Rockstar has mango, dalandan, and coconut water. All these things are all found in the Philippines. Our wish for the brand is when people outside of the country discover our brand, they get to know our Philippine stories as well. And they get to be interested
and see what we have to offer. At the same time, as we do that, we hopefully support the local farmers who are able to produce our local ingredients.
The reason why I asked that is not only because of your answer, no, but also because a lot of people know that it actually supplies a lot of oils to the designer brands you can see there. So these are untold stories that we want to highlight, and some of the local brands here was telling that story. So I hope that, starting from this Cafe Aromatic experience, you can get that chance and also appreciation for the artistry that goes behind these brands and how they go about creating the scents. Yeah, so far, sino yung, last favorite dito sa, sa line? So our favorites are usually Scandalous and Cassie. So Scandalous is the Davao coffee. It has some dark chocolate nuances. It sounds gourmand, but not really because it's still very light. Cinnamon is enemy and vetiver. So it's citrusy, it's woody, the dry down is musk. So if you're not, decided, parang ako, I have a discovery set. Hindi ko rin nakaka-decide. Pero I think I'm going with Rockstar. Yeah. Feeling ko Rockstar. Sa Europe, ano yung like which one did they like the most?
So it was funny because in the beginning, a lot of people love Innocent, but also at the same time, other perfumes would have, they are favorites of other people. So iba-iba, different experiences. But what surprised me, because in Europe, they're very, they like light scents, they like floral scents, but they also really enjoy Rebel. That was a surprise to me. Yeah.
The owner is Pedro Almedina. He is in the family that does, their family owns Malaya Hill, which is an 80-year-old linen company here in the Philippines. So, kaya din, yung pang-test nila ng fragrances, may panyo. Okay, so there are two fragrances from the brand. One is Gardenia, and the other one is Des Roses. So, Des Roses, obviously, it's very rose-forward. The other one is Gardenia. Sino dito si Gardenia? Ito. Yan. So, roses for the pink one. Gardenia is for the beige. So, ngayon, tanong ako sa inyo, alam niyo ba kung ano ang Gardenia in Tagalog? Anong flower? Di ba pag Gardenia, wow, social, important. But in Tagalog, it is, any guesses? None? Can you guess? Santan, grabe naman kayo. White ang Gardenia. Blue. Yan po yung perfume. Not counted. Rosal. You guys can try it here. Rose is more subtle. Des Roses for me is more strong in terms of the intensity. So, try it.
Inspirations, not just for his own brand, but also the brands that you can find here at Cafe Aromatic. So he was the perfumer for Edromaniel. He is also the perfumer for some scents for GP. Actually, all the scents for GP. And then one fragrance from Isben, and then two fragrances from Domus and Darius. So he creates also for other brands, but he also has his own line. So here in his own line, we will be highlighting two scents. So we'll be highlighting two fragrances from the brand, El Cardinal and Anapura. Anapurna. Yeah. So can you tell us more about El Cardinal? El Cardinal is all about postcard from the heart of Mexico City, inspired of culinary Berlin through the environment habitat. This unique fragrance captures the essence of perfect morning, and then imagine strolling through charming cafes, the aroma freshly brewed, captivated terra, healing with the sweet, delicate scents of sweet tarts just pulled from the oven. Mostly rosemary, orange flower, cafe de cherry.
sabi ni Renato, the story behind this was his coffee. Tama ba? Coffee, the coffee that he was able to try in Mexico. So this one has, parang, he added a little bit of influence from the Mexican flavors. Kaya, the next one is Annapurna. Annapurna is more Indian, no? Indian inspired with the spices, biryani, ano pa ba? Creamy base of sandalwood. Yeah, so if you guys want to try the fragrances of Reine Nathalie, you can try it here. The testers are here on this side.
This is so good.
What does it smell like?
This is a rose.
Ano ba na?
Ito, for the rose.
Yung rose?
Yes po. Alam niya. Tinuro niya na kanina.
Which one did you like from GP?
The rose.
Which one?
The rose.
Do you want to buy it?
Yeah, but I don't want to spend my money. I want to save money, but I really want to buy it now.